how to create Mark, your personal AI marketing assistant. And that one can help you with support of marketing activities across your brand, creating social media postings, drafts for your email campaigns and answering emails as well, content for your blog posts, and everything can be SEO optimized for your particular case. And even furthermore, it is fine-tuned on your custom knowledge of your brand, so it can always be available at your fingertips to assist you whenever you need to create marketing material without creating a specific tedious long prompts every time. It's going to be available there with the click of a button. And for this particular configuration, we're going to be using Claude AI, one of the latest and best models that is available right now. And now we can use it almost like a custom GPT with their projects. I'll show you how it's done. So if you're curious to set up Mark as your marketing AI assistant, follow the tutorial step by step and you will have one for your own brand. So there are three main steps to this process. And first of all, we need to create an account with Claude. Second, we're going to set up a custom project that's going to be reflecting your brand and custom knowledge that you want to add to this marketing assistant. And at last, we're going to be evaluating and testing this subject. So first of all, jump into Claude.ai and there create an account or log in with your preferred options. Once you are logged in, you will already have access to start using Claude AI. I do have a professional plan, but actually right now, at the time of the recording of this video, Claude 3.5, the best model that is available right now is for free. Certain amount of postings done without it cost you anything. Well, I do have a professional account, but it doesn't give that much of a big advantage. Beside that, I can do more postings than a free account can. So once you're logged in order to create a custom assistant, then we're going to be looking into side menu here, and you will have access to create a new chat. But what we're interested in is actually creating a project. So it will be available for us every time when you need it. So that's the cool part of it. That's the strength of it. So jump into projects and create a new project. And here we have a chance to name it. All right, so we name it Mark AI Marketing Assistant, and you can also add a bit of a description and a brief description of what is marketing assistance for my brand. Create a project, and here we already have access to the AI Marketing Assistant that is going to be available for us every time we click on Mark AI Marketing Assistant. But what we want to do to enhance it, now we're going to be adding some custom knowledge to it. This window here. And there's two options that are interesting. Set up custom instructions. And that is interesting too, because it gives us opportunity to create a role for the marketing assistant. So it knows what hat to take on when it starts to create content for us. We did it the same when we did a review and creation of custom GPTs, but now we have a bit different setup here for the Claude. So here how it works. Set up custom instructions. So you have an opportunity here to direct the AI marketing assistant in the exact way you wanted to act in a particular cases. What I'm adding a bit longer prompt to it. You are an expert in AI marketing assistant designed to support online business owners and entrepreneurs with their digital marketing efforts, and so on. And it goes on to key responsibilities, how about a bit more on content creation, SEO optimization, social media management, email marketing, and so on. I will share this custom prompt in the link below so you can copy it if you want to, or you are welcome to create your own as well. Save instructions once you're done. And now we gave it a role. Now it knows that it should act as an AI marketing assistant. But what we want to do to make it even better is to add custom knowledge to it. And I've prepared some documents here. We can add it, and it goes into project knowledge, add content. And here we have two options, either to upload from device. So if you have already some specific files that are ready, or you can also add the text content. So the first description I'm going to give it is contact information. Then it knows the contact information whenever it needs to be added, for instance, to the email or some social media posts. It can add this information at the end of the content. So That's very valuable and relevant when creating content. Add content. And now it appears here. And if you want to review this content, you can always click contact information and it will show upon here. All right, I'll create another piece of content. This is AI agency Roman Martins. So this is basically the description of the company profile. So here you can add whatever is suiting, describes your brand, your business, add it here. And then it will use that whenever it's needed, this information to use it for the content generations. It will use that knowledge of your custom brand to add it to the content as well. I'll add content. One more piece we're going to add is about SEO. So if you already have a list of specific SEO keywords that you want to use for your Instagram or Facebook or whatever social media you might be using, or some different blog posts where you want to add SEO keywords, you can add a list, the full list of whatever is suitable for you. So I'm going to add here SEO keywords for social media, and I will add a full list of specific keywords that is suitable for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. You can do the same or something similar that resonates with you. And when you're done, add content. And another interesting piece of content that I would like to add here is AI agency social media content creation profile. So that will be a guide on how to create posting for a specific platform that is interesting for you. So you can see as example here, overall approach, maintain a professional yet approachable tone, focus on AI innovation, and so on. Then it's YouTube content strategy, examples for content strategy for Facebook and X. And examples are very useful as well, because if you already have created posts for different social media platforms, you can add them here, because then it knows what is your preferred option to structure a content for a specific media. So once you have that added, add content. So like this already, we have 4 different custom knowledge that we added to this project. And you can add even more. You can add even data if you have some statistics for how social media performance, marketing performance, your business performance at some level or current stage, you can add it to the custom knowledge as well. And this acts as this knowledge base of your brand that will help Marketing Assistant to direct the content creation for you, for your brand. So now we can go into testing of the system to see how well it performs. So here you have an opportunity to really verify how well it performs, if it uses the custom knowledge, and see if the output lives up to your desired outcome. All right, so let's do a test of the system of our Mark, how well he performs. Let's make a short Facebook post regarding AI automation for marketing agencies. And here we go. Marketing agencies ready to supercharge your workflows. AI automation isn't just a buzzword, it's your ticket to higher efficiency and scalability. Automate, personalize, generate data-driven insights in seconds. So just like that, let's see if it can add custom data that we shared with it. And just like that, we have optimized the posts. It added contact information and it added those custom SEO keywords. I can recognize those from the list that we shared with it. So just like that, we have Mark available to us at our fingertips, and it creates different content, blog posts. You can set a system up for you and test it out, see how it works. I'm Roman Martins. I'm an engineer and AI entrepreneur, and I help businesses to apply AI into their operations. So if you are curious to set up a custom AI system into your business, feel free to reach out in the link below. I'll be happy to assist you. I wish you learned something new on how you can set up AI marketing assistant for your own brand. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.